Hello, my amazing Vipers. This is Mrs. Pinnock. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert pictures and text in Google Slides. I will use the About Me page to do this. At the top of the page, you will see the yellow box that says Introducing. Click on the part that says Type your name here and drag the cursor to highlight it. Or on some computers, you can just triple click to highlight this whole section. Delete this text and type your first and last name. Be sure to type the name or nickname that you want your teacher to call you. For example, if my name was Catherine Perry, but I want to be called Katie, I would type Katy Perry. That is how you type in a box on Google Slides. In the blue box that says About Me, you're going to do the same thing. Either triple click on the instructions and drag to highlight them, or click and drag to highlight and delete them. Be sure to tell your teacher all the interesting things that make you, you. Don't forget to double check for spelling. On the right side of your About Me page is a green box that says Insert a current picture of you. There are several ways to do this. In the top left corner, you will see a tab that says Insert. The first option says Image. When you hover over that, you'll see a menu of all the ways you can insert a picture of yourself. First, if you know that you have a good picture of yourself saved on the computer that you are working on, then you can click Upload from Computer. A box will pop up with the files from your computer. Most pictures are saved in the file titled Pictures. Select the picture you want and click Open. The picture will pop up and you can crop it or resize it as needed. But I don't want this picture, so let's try another method. Go back to the Insert tab, hover over Image, go to the menu, and you will see Drive and Photos. If you know that you have pictures saved on your Google Drive, then you can click this option and your pictures will show up in the right-hand side here. Select the image that you want to insert and click Insert. Again, you might need to resize or crop your photo as needed. The third option is my favorite option because you can take a picture of yourself right now using your Chromebook or computer. Click the Insert tab, go to the Image menu, and click Camera. It's the last option. You might see a small window appear that asks you to give permission for Google to access your camera. If this happens, please click Allow. Then a window will show up and you should be able to see your own beautiful face. Give a $1 million smile and click the camera icon to take the picture. Then click Insert when you are done. Now you have inserted a picture on Google Slides. If you need to edit your picture by cropping off part of the picture or making it small enough to fit on the green square, click on your photo until you see little blue squares on each corner of the picture. Click and drag one of the squares until your picture is the right size. If you want to crop off part of your picture, double-click your photo until little black lines appear on the corners and the sides of your picture. Click and drag these lines until your picture is perfect. And then click and drag the blue squares until your picture is the right size. Don't forget to go back and delete the text, wrong box, on the green box before you drag your picture over there. The red square will have a picture of something that you are proud of. You can follow the same steps as we did for the picture of you by either inserting a picture that you already have or by taking a new picture. This is an awesome time to put a picture of you playing your favorite sport or instrument, the favorite book that you've read, getting an award, maybe a cool piece of art that you've created, a picture of a sibling or a pet that you're proud of, the cool way that you've decorated your room, a test or a project from school that you're proud of, or anything else that makes you proud. If you don't have a picture or you can't take a picture of something that makes you proud, you can also find a picture of the thing that makes you proud on Google and insert it into your slide by going to Insert, Image, and search the web. Over here in the search bar, type the thing that you're looking for. I'm going to type the college that I went to. Select your image, click Insert. Don't forget to resize it. I'm going to delete the text for the red box first, and then resize my image so it fits in the red square. The last box that we need to fill out is the purple box for your IB learner trait. First, you need to click on the link and read all about each of the 10 IB learner traits and pick one that stands out to you. Then go back to your About Me page, delete the text that's in the parentheses, and write about the one IB learner trait that you picked and why you picked it. Now your About Me page is done and you know how to change text, insert pictures, and edit photos on a Google slide. If you need help, you can watch this video again, ask a friend or family member, or email your teacher. Don't forget to turn in your About Me page when you are finished. Good luck and happy learning!